This is the Osint fam. Welcome back to our channel.
Watermelon is absolutely loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin C, A and B6. It also offers a big dose of lycopene with antioxidant properties. Watermelon also helps with keeping us hydrated as well as improvement our heart health. Watermelon contains compounds that may help reduce inflammation, high levels of which are linked to numerous illnesses. The citrulline in watermelon may help improve exercise performance and decrease muscle soreness. Several nutrients in watermelon promote hair and skin health. The fiber and water content in watermelon may aid your digestive health by supporting regular bowel movements. Watermelon also contains plant compounds that may combat certain forms of cancer. Limes are high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and other nutrients. They may help boost immunity, reduce the chance of heart disease, prevent kidney stones, aid iron absorption, and promote healthy skin. Jaggery is a type of unrefined sugar made from sugarcane or palm. Jaggery is said to help support immune, liver, and digestive health, as well as help prevent anemia. Jaggery may have a better nutrition profile than sugar, but it's still high in calories and is best consumed in moderation. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.